blades on it. I think they call this a 15-foot disc is what they're going to actually call it. You know, I get 8 and 7, so I think 15 is about what the back blades ought to do. But it is centerfold. These are pithy. This rubber lines might need replaced. It's been setting. Gentleman passed away. It does have hydraulic swing tone, but it does have, like I say, it does have not very good hoses on it. But it's got good blades. These blades are like these are 21-inch front blades. Got 9-inch spacing. 21-inch rear blades. So really good blades. I think there's one blade up on the corner. It's got a little bit of a rock chip, the little corner blades on the edge. This cover blade's good. It's got a single bar Hera. So it looks like they've taken this Hera part off of here, and we don't have that, but we do have the main section of single bar Hera on there. It's got truck tires. You know, the framing I think is good. I don't think it's been pulled an exorbitant amount. I'm sure it hasn't been pulled recently because they hadn't farmed for quite a while. Hitch looks good on it. Let's see if everything turns. You'll find everything turns good. I think it was set in the barn, but you'll find a couple. There's a rock chip in one or two of these blades that I saw, but in general the blades have really good size. But this out edge blade there is getting a little jagged. You're gonna buy it absolute on Tractor House Auction.